Hey there! If you've ever wanted to add your own voice or music to a Canva design, but weren't sure how, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, step-by-step method to upload audio on Canva, even if you're a complete beginner. First, open your design in Canva. On the left-hand side panel, you'll see an option called Record Yourself. Click on it. Canva will then ask for permission to access your microphone, so make sure to allow it. This is essential for recording your own voice directly within Canva. Once your microphone is ready, hit the record button and start speaking. Canva will capture your audio in real time, and when you're done, just click stop. Your recording is now saved automatically and ready to use. To insert your audio into your design, simply drag it onto your project or click Add to Design. From here, you can move it around, trim it, or adjust the volume to match your visuals perfectly. And that's it. Your Canva design now has your personalized audio. Uploading audio in Canva is that simple, whether it's narration, a voiceover, or background music. Experiment with it and watch your designs come alive with sound. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a try on your next project and see how much more engaging your designs can become.